Sections and schedule of the Constitution. Section and schedule of the Constitution. Which amendment of the Constitution of India incorporated Goa, Daman and Diu as the 8th Union Territories of India by amending the first schedule of the Constitution, that is 12th Amendment of Indian Constitution. The 12th Amendment of Constitution of India, officially known as the Constitution Amendment Act 1962, Constitutional Amendment Act 1962, incorporated Goa, Daman and Diu as the 8th Union Territory of India. By amending the first schedule to the Constitution, India acquired control of Goa, Daman and Diu from Portugal in December 1961. In which of the following years did the Indian Army free Goa from the Portuguese? 1961. According to which of the following schedules to the Constitution provides for allocation of seats to the states and union territories in Rajya Sabha? That is 4th schedule. The 4th schedule of the Indian Constitution provides for allocation of seats to states and union territories in Rajya Sabha. The Constitution of India contains 12 schedules. Initially, it has 8 schedules in the original Constitution. Which schedule of the Constitution of India deals with the allocation of seats in the Council? That is 4th schedule of India. Which schedule of Indian Constitution demarcate the power of the union and the state? That is union list, state list and concurrent list. That is, I think, 7th. Yes. The 7th schedule of the Constitution demarcates the power of the union and the states. Union list, state list of concurrent list. The original Indian Constitution had parts and 395 articles, 22 parts. The original Constitution of India had 395 articles, 22 parts and 8 schedules. It came into effect on January 26, 1950. Which of the following subject has been included in the 11th schedule of the Indian Constitution? That should be health and hygiene. The 11th schedule of Indian Constitution deals with the local self-government. It was added by 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act 1993 on the recommendation of Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. It includes matters like rural residence, poverty alleviation, market, road, potable water. Potable means the drinkable water, sanitation, etc. How many schedules are 3 in the Indian Constitution? How many schedules are there in the Indian Constitution? There is 12 schedules in the Indian Constitution. The Constitution of India contains 395 articles, 22 parts and plus 3 subparts. It also contains 12 schedules since its adoption in 1949. It has been amended for 105 times. Indian Constitution has how many parts? Indian Constitution, it has 22 parts. How many schedules did the Constitution of India contain as April 2021? These are 12 in numbers. Indian Constitution has how many schedules? Indian Constitution has 12 schedules. Indian Constitution has how many articles? It has 395 articles. Which of the following schedule contains special provision for the administration of tribal areas in the four northeastern states of Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, and Mizoram? These are that is sixth schedule. Sixth schedule. The sixth schedule of the Constitution provides for the administration of tribal areas in Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram to safeguard the rights of the tribal population in these states. This special provision is provided under Article 244 sub 2 provides for autonomy in the administration of these areas through Autonomous District Council ADC. The sixth schedule of the Indian Constitution does not exercise its control to the tribal areas of which of the following state? Manipur. Which of the following state is included in the sixth schedule of the Constitution of India? That is Mizoram. Mizoram is included in sixth schedule of India. Which schedule of Indian Constitution contain the provision on Panchayat Raj institution? That is 11th schedule, and 12th schedule contain the Nagarpalika affairs. The 11th schedule of the Indian Constitution envisaged the power, authority, and responsibilities of panchayats. It has 29 subjects: market, road, and drinking water, etc. This schedule was added by 73rd Amendment Act of 1992. Part 8 of the Constitution of India deals with Union territories. Part 8 of the Constitution of India, Articles 239 to 242, deal with the Union territories. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? 8th schedule, language. 2nd schedule, form of oath of office. 4th schedule, allocation of seats in Rajya Sabha. 10th schedule, defection related provision. I think that should be 8th schedule. It is right. 2nd schedule, no, 2nd schedule is wrong. I think so. Yes, 2nd schedule is this is wrong, because 2nd schedule, the 3rd schedule deals with the oath and office, not 2nd. 8th schedule, related provision, language related provision. 2nd schedule, salary and emoluments of president, vice president, speaker, deputy speaker, chairman and deputy chairman of Rajya Sabha, judges of Supreme Court and High Court. 4th schedule, allocation of seats in Rajya Sabha. 10th schedule, provision relating to disqualification of the members of parliaments and members of legislative assembly. Which of the following schedule of the Constitution of India has been incorrectly matched with its content? That is 2nd schedule, language. The 2nd schedule of the Indian Constitution has the provision relating to the emoluments, allowance of the president, the vice president, the governors of states, the speaker and the deputy speaker of Lok Sabha, the chairman and the deputy chairman of the Rajya Sabha. All other matchings are correct. Which of the following schedule of the Constitution of India has been incorrectly matched with its content? 1st schedule, the states and the union territories, right. 3rd schedule, form of oath or affirmation. It is wrong, I think so. 4th schedule, allocation of seat in Council of State. 2nd schedule is wrong, because the 2nd schedule of India Constitution has the provision relating to the emoluments, allowance of the president, the vice president and the governor of states, the speaker and the deputy speaker of the Lok Sabha, the chairman and the deputy chairman of Rajya Sabha. All other matchings are correct. The salary emoluments of which of the following official is mentioned in Part E of the 2nd schedule of the Constitution of India? The Comptroller and Auditor General. The schedule 2nd E mention the salary emoluments of Comptroller and Auditor General of India? Which of the following is related to the second schedule of Indian Constitution? Salaries of important official. Salaries of important official. Union legislature alone can make laws on matters related to railways, on public health, on police, on local self-government, not railways. Article 246 of Indian Constitution envisaged about three lists: union list, state list, concurrent list. In the given option, public health, police, and local self-government are the subject of state lists, while railways is the subject of union list. So the union government may make laws on matters of union list. In which part of Indian Constitution are center-state relation mentioned? That is part 10, part 11, Article 245 to 255. Part 11 of the Indian Constitution from Article 245 to 263 deals with the provision of relationship between union and the states. Which article of the Constitution of India provides for reservation of seats for the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes in the Lok Sabha? That article is Article 330. Article 330, 330, 330, 330. It is related with the reservation of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes in the House of the People, in Lok Sabha, in lower house. Article 232, it is related with the reservation of SC and ST in the State Legislative Assembly. 333, 332. 335, reservation of seats of SC and ST in government service, like IAS, IPS, or in all government service. 335. Which of the following schedule of the Constitution of India mention the allocation of seats in the Council of States? That is fourth schedule. The fourth schedule of the Constitution provides for the allocation of seats to the states and union territories in Rajya Sabha. The allocation of seats is made on the basis of the population of each state. Uttar Pradesh has the most number of seats, 31, in the Rajya Sabha. Under the schedule 7 of the Constitution, the subject education lies under which list? And education lies under concurrent list. I think so. Yes. Schedule 7 of the Constitution specifies division of powers between the union and states by categorizing it in list. Union list contains 100 subjects, originally 97. State list contains 61 subjects, originally 66. Concurrent list contains 52 subjects, originally 47. By 42nd Amendment Act 1976, 5 subjects were transferred from the state to concurrent list. These are education, forest, weights and measures, protection of wild animals and birds, and administration of justice. 7th schedule of the Constitution of India deals with power of the governor of the state, distribution of power between the union and the state, allocation of seat in the Council of State, power and authority of the municipalities. It is B. Distribution of power between the union and the states. Which of the following is not a subject under the concurrent list of the Constitution of India? Bankruptcy and insolvency, adulteration, public health, trade unions. I think so. This is C. Yes, public health. Public health does not come under the concurrent list of the Indian Constitution. This is in the subject of the state list, while bankruptcy and insolvency, adulteration and labor union are the subject of concurrent list. Which of the following subject is included in the concurrent list? Trade unions. Banking, it is the matter of central Agriculture, it is the matter of police, it is the matter of, but trade unions is the concurrent list. The concurrent list contains subject of common interest to both the union as well as the states. These included education, forest, trade, union, marriage, adoption, succession. Both the central and the state government can make laws in the concurrent list. All of the subjects are part of the state list except land, liquor, airbase, airbase. Train, airbase, aircraft and aeroplane are the subject of the union list, while land, liquor, police, systems, sports, betting and gambling are the subject of the state list. The subject of sports come under which list of Indian Constitution? State list. Which of the following subjects are part of the union list? Banking, agriculture, police, public health. Agriculture is the part of the concurrent list, public health is the part of the state list, and the police is the part of the state list. But banking is the part of the union list. The union list includes subjects like defense, atomic energy, foreign affairs, war, peace, banking, railways, airways, post and telegraph, ports, etc. State like include subjects like agriculture, police, prison, local government, public health, land, liquor, livestock, sports, animal husbandry, trade, and commerce. Concurrent list include subjects like education, forest, trade unions, transfer of property other than agricultural land. Which of the following subjects are included in the union list? Land, liquor, agriculture, ports. Which of the following subject under the union list of the Constitution of India? Railways, pilgrims, forest, prisons. That should be railways. Under the which schedule of the Constitution of India is the list of official language founded? Schedule 8th. The 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution mention about of the 22 languages. Of these languages, 14 were initially included in the Constitution. Sindhi language was added by 21st Amendment Act of 1967. Konkani, Manipuri and Nepali were included by the 71st Amendment Act of 1992. Bodo, Dogri, Maithili and Santhali were added by the 92nd Amendment Act of 2003. Part 18 of the Indian Constitution deal with the official language from Article 343 to 351. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with the language recognized by the Constitution? 8th schedule. Which schedule of Indian Constitution is related to the language of India? 8th schedule. 8th schedule, it deals with the 22nd official language recognized by the Indian Constitution. Which schedule of the Constitution of India lists the states and union territories of India? States and union territories of India, first schedule. It contains the name of state and the union territories. Territorial jurisdiction of the state is also included. Under the 10th schedule of the Indian Constitution, by whom is the final decision taken on an issue related to the disqualification of any member of Lok Sabha? That should be Election Commission of India, President of India, Lok Sabha Speaker, Vice President of India. He is Lok Sabha Speaker. According to 103 of the Indian Constitution, the matter of disqualification of any member of Parliament is decided by the President on the advice of Election Commission of India, and his decision will be supreme in this regard. Whereas in reference to 10th schedule, the disqualification of a member is finally decided by Chairman of House of Parliament. Since question is of reference of Schedule 10, so correct option would be Lok Sabha. Maybe you heard about the disqualification of Rahul Gandhi of the as the Lok Sabha member. So that this his qualification was disqualified by Lok Sabha speaker. So, as per the Constitution of India, the subject of livestock and animal husbandry is included in the list. It should be state list. State list. According to Indian Constitution, the subject livestock and animal husbandry has been included under the state list. On giving priority to regional importance, the Constitution authorized state legislature to make laws on those relevant subjects. The state list contains 61 subjects. At present, some of main subjects of state list are police, health, irrigation, animal husbandry, sanitation, agriculture, road, etc. Major articles of the Constitution. Article of the Constitution of India deals with the freedom to manage religious affairs. Article 26 of the Constitution of India deals with the freedom to manage religious affairs. Article 26 of the Constitution of India deals with the freedom to manage religious affairs. Which article of the Constitution of India declare that laws inconsistent with Part 3 before the commencement of the Constitution of India 1950 are void? Article 13. Article 13 of the Constitution of India declare that laws inconsistent with the Part 3 before the commencement of the Constitution of India 1950 are void. Article of the Indian Constitution state that there shall be a commission for the socially and educationally backward classes to be known as National Commission for Backward Classes. I think it is OBC classes. So which article? And besides that, that should be Article 338B. 338B. Article 338B1 of the Indian Constitution state that there shall be a commission for the socially and Article 330B of the Indian Constitution state that there shall be a commission for the socially and educationally backward classes to be known as the National Commission for Backward Class. In which of the following articles of the Constitution of India is right to property mentioned? 300A. In Article 300A of the Constitution of India is right to property mentioned. The right to property is one of the most controversial human rights, both in terms of its existence and interpretation. The Constitution originally provided for the right to property under Article 19 and 31. Article 19 provided the right of all citizens to acquire, hold and dispose of the property. Article 31 provides that no person shall be deprived of his property except by authority law. A new provision, Article 300A, was added to the Constitution that no person shall be deprived of his property except by authority of law. Which of the following articles of the Constitution of India state that the President or the Governor or Raj Pramukh of a state shall not be answerable to any court for the exercise and performance of the powers and duties of his office? That is Article 361. Article 361 of the Constitution of India states that the President or the Governor or Raj Pramukh of state shall not be answerable to any court for the exercise and performance of the powers and duties of his office. According to which of the following article of the Constitution of India shall a money bill not introduced in the Council of States? Means the money bill is only introduced in the Lok Sabha, not in Council of State, not in Rajya Vidhan Sabha. According to which of the following article of the Constitution of India shall a money bill not be introduced in the Council of State? 29. Article 109. As per the provision of Article 109, a money bill shall not be introduced in Council of States. After a money bill has been passed by the House of the People, it shall be transmitted to the Council of States for its recommendation, and the Council of States shall, within a period of 14 days from the date of its receipt of the bill, return the bill to the House of the Public with its recommendation, and House of the People may thereupon either accept or reject all or any of the recommendation of Council of States. Which of the following article of the Constitution of India define for a separate secretarial staff for each house of the Parliament? That article is Article 98. Article 98 of the Constitution of India define for a separate secretariat staff for each house of the Parliament. In Article 135, the governor of a state shall be appointed by the President by warrant under his hand and seal. Article 123 of the Constitution power of President to promulgate ordinance during recess of Parliament. According to which of the following articles of the Constitution of India shall a money bill not be introduced in a legislative council? 198. Article 198 of the Indian Constitution envisages that a money bill shall not be introduced in a legislative council. It can be presented in the Legislative Assembly. Article 300A of the Constitution of India deals with right to property. Article 300A of Indian Constitution deals with the right to property. Earlier, the right was included in Part 3, fundamental right of Constitution, but later on, with the help of 44th Constitutional Amendment, it was shifted to its current article. Which of the following articles is related to the privileges of Member of Parliament? I think so that is 1. Which of the following articles is related to the privileges of Member of Parliament? Article 105. Article 105 deals with the power, privileges and immunities of members of either House of Parliament and of its member and committee. There shall be freedom of speech in Parliament. No action can be taken against them for this, but no comment can be made against the judges. It is right to punish a person who violates Parliament or its special right. As per Article 112, as per Article 112 of the Constitution of India, who among the following is assigned with the responsibility to ensure that the annual statement of expenditure is laid before both the House of Parliament? That is President. According to Article 112 of the Constitution of India, the President shall, in respect of every financial year, cause to be laid before both the House of Parliament a statement of the estimated receipts and expenditure of the Government of India for that year. This part is referred as the annual financial statement. The President also has control over India's contingency fund. Which article says that the election to the House of the People and to the Legislative Assembly of every state shall be on the basis of adult suffrage? 326. Election for the Lok Sabha and the Legislative Assembly of each state under the Article 326 of Part 15 of Indian Constitution will be on the basis of universal adult suffrage. Thus, every person who is a Indian citizen of India, and has completed the age of 18 years gets the right to vote in the election. The voting age voting age has been reduced from 21 years to 18 years by the 61st Constitutional Amendment 1988. Which article of the Constitution of India empower a state governor to promulgate an ordinance? Article 213, Article 213, Article 213. The Article 213 has provisions related to ordinance making power of governor. The same power of president is derived from Article 123. 213, 123. The number is similar in the number is similar, but the structure is different. There is 213, there is 123. Which of the following pair is not correctly matched? Article 79 Supreme Court, Article 114 Appropriation Bill, Article 218 Finance Commission, Article 312 in All Indian Service. That is A. Article 79 Supreme Court. The option as follows: Article 79 Formation of Parliament, Article 114 Appropriation Bills, Article 124 Establishment and Formation of Supreme Court, Article 280 Finance Commission, Article 312 All India Service. What does Section 124A of Indian Penal Code deals with? Atrocity against women, sedition, crime for demanding dowry, atrocity against ST. That is sedition. Section 124A of the Indian Penal Code deals with the sedition which was drafted by Thomas Babington Macaulay and included in the IPC in 1870. It states that whosoever words, either spoken or written, or by signs, or by visible representation, or otherwise, brings or attempt to bring into hatred or contempt, or excite or attempt to excite disaffection towards the government established by law in India, shall be punished with imprisonment for life, to which fine may be added, or with imprisonment which may extend it to 3 years, to which fine may be added, or with fine. Which article of the Constitution deals with the money bills? That article is Article 110, deals with the money bills. In the Constitution of India, Article 110 deals with money bills. There are few provisions for a bill to be deemed as money bills. The provisions that make a money bill in India are as follows: the imposition, abolition, remission, alteration or regulation of any taxes, the regulation of borrowing of money by the Union government, the custody of the Consolidated Fund of India or the Contingency Fund of India, the payment of money into or the withdrawal of money from any such fund, the appropriation of money out of the Consolidated Fund of India, declaration of any expenditure charged on the Consolidated Fund of India or increasing the amount of any such expenditure, the receipt of money or account of the Consolidated Fund of India or the public account of India or the authority or issue of such money or the audit of the accounts of the Union or of a state. Any matter incidental to any of the matters specified above. Constitutional gives power to the Lok Sabha Speaker under Article 110 to take a final call of any question arises whether a bill is money bill or not. Which of the following article of the Constitution of India gives us a description of money bill? 110. Indian Constitution can be amended according to the procedure laid down in the following article. Article 368. Article 368 of Part 20 of the Indian Constitution provide two types of amendment: by a special majority of Parliament, by a special majority along with the ratification by half of the total state. Article of the Constitution of India lays down the process of introducing changes in the Constitution. 368. Article 368. Article 134A of Indian Constitution for appeal to the Supreme Court deals with the state government, the union government, the fundamental rights of the Indian citizen, the directive principle of state policy, that is the union government. Article 134A, which is related to the chapter of union judiciary under Part 5 of the Constitution, deal with subject matters of union government or machinery. This article contains provision with respect to certificate for appeal to Supreme Court by High Court under appellate jurisdiction of Supreme Court. Article 228, Article 228 of the Indian Constitution, transfer of certain cases to High Court, deals with the state government. Article 228 of the Indian Constitution, which related to the chapter of High Courts in state under the Part 6 of the Constitution, deals with the subject matters of state government or machinery. This article contains provision with respect to transfer of certain cases to High Court. Article 173 of the Indian Constitution, qualification for membership of the state legislative, deals with the directive principle of state policy, the state government, the union government, the fundamental right of the Indian citizen, that is the state government. Article 173 is mentioned under the Part 6 of the Indian Constitution of India that deals with the subject matters of state government. It mentions qualification required for membership of state legislature. Article 127 of the Indian Constitution, Secretariat of State Legislative, deals with the state government, the directive principle of state policy, the union government, the fundamental rights of the Indian citizen, that is the state government. Article 187 of Constitution of India is related to chapter of state legislative under Part 6, deals with the subject matter of state government. As per the provision of this article, each house of legislature of the states shall have a separate secretarial staff. Article 27 of the Indian Constitution, freedom as to payment of taxes for promotion of any particular religion, deals with the fundamental rights. The Constitution of India guaranteed the right to freedom of religion to not only individual but also religious group in India. This is enshrined in Article 25 to 28. According to Article 27 of the Constitution, state that there can be no taxes the proceeds of which are directly used for the promotion and or maintenance of any particular religion denomination. This article deals with the fundamental right of Indian citizen. Under which article is the Union Public Service Commission of India established? Article 315. Article 315 to 323 of Part 14 of the Constitution, title as services under Union and the state, provide for a public service commission for the Union and for each state. Accordingly, as per Article 315, at Union level, Union Public Service Commission is envisaged by it. Article 222 of the Indian Constitution, transfer of a judge from one high court to another, deals with the directive principle of state policy, the union government, the state government, the fundamental rights of the citizens. B. The union government. The union government. Article 22, 222, 222, 222. Those oblige deal with Part 6 of the Constitution, which is related to subject matter of state government. According to Article 222, President may, after consultation with the Chief Justice of India, transfer a judge from one high court to another high court in India. Article 211 of the Indian Constitution, restriction on discussion in the legislature, deals with the directive principle of state policy, the union government, the fundamental law of the Indian citizen, the state government, Article 211 of Constitution, which is related to the chapter of the state legislative under the Part 6 of the Indian Constitution, deal with the subject matter of state government. The provision of this article restricts the legislature of a state to discuss conduct of any judge of Supreme Court or of a high court in discharge of his duties. The Prime Minister and the other minister of the Indian Union are appointed by the President under of the Constitution of India. Article 75. According to the Indian Constitution, Article 75, the Prime Minister will be appointed by the President of India. After that, the other minister will be appointed by President on the advice of Prime Minister. According to 91st Constitutional Amendment Act 2003, the number of ministers, including Prime Minister, in Council of Ministers shall not exceed 50% of capacity of Lok Sabha. Means if the Lok Sabha have 500 members, there is only the 50% of 500 is 75 ministers, not more than 75 ministers, less than any, but not more than 75 ministers. This should be an example for the exceeding. The Indian Administrative Service and the Indian Police Service are deemed to be services created by the Parliament under Article 312. The Article 312 of the Indian Constitution account for the genesis of all Indian services. If the Rajya Sabha, supported by not less than two-thirds of the member present and voting, passes a resolution establishing all India service, the Parliament by law may be provided for the same. Indian Administrative Service, Indian Administrative Service, Indian Administration Service, Indian Forest Service and Indian Police Service, IS, IFS, IPS are created under the Article 312(2) of the Indian Constitution. Vote allows the government to meet the expense of administration until the new Parliament passes the budget for the whole year. Vote allows the government to meet the expense of administration until the new Parliament passes the budget for the whole year. Voice vote, electoral vote, vote on account, vote on adjustment. That is vote on account. The Article 116 of Indian Constitution contain provisions of vote on account. Vote on account is the interim permission of the Parliament to government to spend money if in any financial year it is not possible for the government to pass a budget at the end of that particular financial year. Then the Lok Sabha takes out an advance from the consolidated fund of India, and that is known as vote on account. Normally, vote on account is taken for 2 months only when it is equal to the 1/6 of estimate expenditure for the entire year under various demands for grants. Article of Indian Constitution of the Indian Constitution of Article of the Constitution of India gives the Election Commission the power to supervise election to the Parliament and state legislative. Article 324. Part 15 of Indian Constitution from Article 334 to 339 deal with the provision related to election. Article 324 in the Indian Constitution gives power to the Election Commission to direct, control and conduct election to all parliament, state legislative and elections of president and vice president also conducted by the Election Commission. The Election Commission of India (ECI) is the watchdog of free and fair election in the country and of the Constitution of India provide for its establishment. Article 324. Which of the following article is related to Jammu and Kashmir state of India? Article 370. Article 370 of Indian Constitution gave special status to Jammu and Kashmir, a region located in the northern part of India subcontinent, which was administered by India as a state from 1954 to 31 October 2019, conferring it with the power to have a separate constitution, a state flag and autonomy over the internal administration of state. The recently revoked Article 370 is associated with the which of these states in India? Kashmir. The National Commission for Backward Class was formed by insertion of article in the Constitution of India. Insertion of article of the 338B should be 338B. Yes. The National Commission for Backward Classes was established on 14th August 1993 by insertion of Article 338B in the Indian Constitution. According to which article of the Indian Constitution the Council of Ministers will be collectively responsible to the Lok Sabha? Article 75. The Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to Lok Sabha is described in Article 75 of the Indian Constitution. Article of the Constitution of India deals with the provision related to the administration and control of scheduled areas and scheduled tribes. Article 244A. Provision related to the administration and control of scheduled areas and scheduled tribe is defined under Article 244(1). The preamble. Which of the following word does not precede the word republic in the preamble of the Constitution? अब इससे आगे कल करेंगे.